The National Museum of Tajikistan will present its next exhibition entitled Manzaranigor to art lovers. The opening ceremony dedicated to the work of one of the founders of the art school in Tajikistan, honored worker of art of Tajikistan artist Majid Khoshmuhammadov, was attended by representatives of the Unions of Artists of Tajikistan, educational institutions where art and the ITAF and other emirs. It was noted that Majid Khoshmuhammadov has been the chairman of the Unions of Artists of Tajikistan for many years and has made a significant contribution to the development of this art and the training of personnel in their field. The artist's paintings have been repeatedly exhibited in national and international exhibitions. In particular, at the Second Republican Exhibition of Work of Tajik artists held in Dushanbe in 1935, his works were exhibited under the names Yard, Sale of Bread and Mountain Village. He also took part in the All-Union Exhibition of Works of the Best Artists in Moscow in 1941, presenting the fine arts of Tajikistan. The National Museum has more than 80 paintings by the artist. He describes the nature in his works most of all. As you can see, the nature of Tajikistan is shown here. This particular work cannot but touch a person. In the exhibition landscape in the National Museum will be presented more than 40 paintings by artist Majid Khoshmuhammadov. The works were created in different years and include the themes of the harvest, meetings of the heroes, rainy streets, cotton factory, construction of Khairuk home, Samarkand and living can, twins, the road of the village, Norak landscape, autumn and others. This exhibition will be interesting and memorable for those who are interested in culture and art, especially fine arts, because viewers will learn about the pages of Tajikistan's history in the last century. An exhibition of Majid Khoshmuhammadov's works entitled Landscape will continue at the National Museum until May 15.